In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Northwestern University. The first thing you should know is that Northwestern accepts applications through the Common Application Apply Coalition with SCORE or the QuestBridge application. So before you begin, make sure you choose the application platform that fits your situation best. No matter which one you use, the overall process includes more than just filling out basic information. You'll also need to pay the $75 application fee, unless you qualify for and request a fee waiver. As you move through the application, be prepared to complete Northwestern-specific supplemental essays. In addition to your main personal statement, Northwestern asks for writing that helps the admissions team understand why you're interested in the university and how your background or experiences may contribute to its community. It's a good idea to give yourself enough time here, because these essays are an important part of presenting a thoughtful and personal application. You'll also need to submit your official transcripts, along with letters of recommendation. Typically, Northwestern requires one counselor recommendation and at least one teacher recommendation. Make sure you request these early so your recommenders have enough time to write strong, detailed letters on your behalf. Next, you'll need to decide when to apply. First, your applicants can choose between early decision and regular decision. Early decision has a November 1st deadline and is binding, which means that if you are admitted, you are expected to attend. Regular decision has a January 2nd deadline and gives you more time, while also allowing you to compare options. For testing, Northwestern follows a test optional policy for most programs. That means you can choose whether or not to submit SAT or ACT scores. If you believe your scores strengthen your application, you can include them. If not, you can still apply without them. If English is not your first language, or if you are not educated in English, you'll also need to submit proof of English proficiency. Accepted options include the TOEFL, IELTS, or Duolingo English test. Be sure to check that your scores are sent in time to meet the university's deadlines. If you're applying to a specialized program, like the Medill School of Music, keep in mind that there are additional audition requirements. That means you should review those expectations carefully as early as possible. Finally, if you want to be considered for need-based financial aid, you'll need to complete both the CSS profile and the FAFSA. For regular decision applicants, these are typically due by February 15th. Always double-check deadlines on Northwestern's admissions website because dates and requirements can change. Once everything is submitted, review your application carefully to make sure nothing is missing. That's how to apply to Northwestern University.